So now that we've covered the basics and the differences between the video tools available for us and the editing programs available for us, be it with Windows Movie Maker and be it with iMovie on the macOS platform, let's get down to work and let's see how this actually works. The first thing that we need to do is we need to choose which video, which element that our library actually contains we want to use. Now, we can simply go with the preview again and we can see what's happening if I want to actually use this clip or maybe the other one, and then I just take it, I drag it and I drop it onto my editing section, my editing tool. Now the editing tool is going to show us two things. First of all, it is going to show us how long this clip is, of course over here as well. And then the other thing that is going to be really handy is that it is going to show us how much of the clip itself I have used for the final movie that I'm going to export. So for instance, if I want to shorten the take, shorten the scene that I'm using, and this I'm going to be using, and this I'm going to be doing simply by taking and grabbing the edge and by pulling it from one side to the other to make the clip maybe longer or shorter, right? In this case, what I've done is I've trimmed from the beginning and from the end, and I've taken a shortened take out of the clip itself. Now, what you are going to see in this case in the library section over there on top is that the clip that I am working with, this one, shows this little bottom orange bar. Now this little orange bar is going to of course indicate how much of the clip I have used. Now in this case I've used the very end of it and I've only trimmed it from the very beginning. Now in this case I am going to even take a shorter section, but I'm going to trim it from the beginning and I'm going to just be using the very end of it. Now the use of this is of course shown on top. The other thing that I can do if I want to use the whole clip, but then again I don't want to use the clip as a whole, is I can basically choose a moment of the film and then I can split the clip and then this happens. Now, of course, the first element that I have chosen and the clip that I have chosen to drag and drop is the same one because I am not working with this piece itself. I am now editing something on my table and I am now working with a little bit of the clip. I am going to now take maybe this one at the very beginning and I'm going to put it in the very end. So I'm going to switch it places or whatnot. But this one, it is only the source and this is only the piece that I have taken from the library. So this is always going to be the same. The difference is that it is going to show how much of the clip I've used. So basically if I have taken the beginning, I've removed it. Now it is going to show me that yes, I am going to be using only the second part of the clip. Of course, can I now go and can I go back to the full length of the clip? Of course I can, because this is the clip that I'm working with. But if I want to shorten it, if I want to split it, this is completely up to me.